here. We've got a Sunstrip. What? Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. Before we go ahead, please ignore the Toy Story Teletubby right there. You know, I like Toy Story, get fucked. Come on, drop your egos. Toy Story is one of the best kids film out there right now. And if you haven't watched it, dislike this video right now and go watch it because you're taking the piss. Alright then boys, for today's video, we are gonna be getting dirty. I should not be trusted with this knife, literally. Look at this. Like the title says, we are actually going to be fitting a Sunstrip to my VAUXHALL Corsa today. Literally, look at this. It's like a satin black finish or something. Oh my god. I've been recently getting a lot of comments asking me to get a Sunstrip for my car. Now, if you guys are an OG of the channel, I actually had a Sunstrip. But about like 5 minutes into the first drive of having the Sunstrip, it flew off. It was like, bye, have a great time. The last one I had was like a plastic bag from Morrison's that, you know, you stuck on with soapy water. This one is literally, it's got a backing adhesive thing which you peel off and you stick it on with water. So very, very nice, very, very clean. Right then, so we are now outside and here is the car without a Sunstrip. As you guys can see, you know, there is no, you know, like thing there. Once we have the Sunstrip on, it's going to be like, hopefully like, maybe like that big. So it don't cover too much. Again, like you guys know, I quite like keeping my car black and white and giving it a bit more accents of black. So maybe that Sunstrip will add just a little bit touch more spice to the car. Now we should have a black Sunstrip if this all goes well. So what I'm going to do really quickly is get all the tools that we need to make this a beautifully, like, a professional job. Let's go inside and get it. Okay, alright then boys, so we've got all the tools set out here. I'm going to quickly go through them all, just in case you guys want to go through and put a Sunstrip on your car. So, obviously, we've got some wraps, because you know what? I might get hungry halfway through, so we're going to make a nice wrap. Bang. Next thing we've got is the Sunstrip itself, and this one actually feels very nice quality. It looks beautiful, so hopefully this will give my Corsa that nice extra oomph. It's quite a thick one almost. It's like, it feels quite good quality. It's only off Amazon, £10, that's it. Next thing we've got is the main kind of thing that we need for this, and this actually comes with the instructions. People are going to tell me that you do this other way. I've read the instructions for this online, for this specific model, and you need soapy water to stick this. Next thing we got is a squeegee. This is going to be used to push out all the soapy water and all the air bubbles. Hopefully we don't get any air bubbles in it. Next thing we got is a really sharp fucking blade. Like, honestly, that apple, you want to try me, bitch? Didn't think so. I am appalled at your behaviour. Ooh! Next thing we got is a measuring tape, which actually should be put at the start, because we're going to measure how much we want on each side, you know, to make sure it's all equal, so it's not wonky or anything. Then we've got some masking tape to make sure they're both sides are equal. And then we've got all the cleaning products. So we've got a clay bar, just to get all the shit off the windscreen, just so it sticks perfectly. We could use alcohol and stuff like that, but I don't have any, so very, very nice. And we've got some cloths to clean the windscreen. Okay, all right, so we've got the car right here, as you guys can see, and we've got my Glock 9.
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
But yeah, pretty much the car is looking literally like my nan's knickers right now. It literally is disgusting. I don't drive my car much, literally. I drive it like twice a week or something, and it actually looks manky just sitting there. It just picks up so much dirt from this bloody Christmas tree we got here. I'm gonna clean the top part of the windscreen, and also maybe the paint.
You better buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. Man, I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020 and they notice the vision. You be the hero, I'm playing the villain. The underdogs and we walk in the building. We getting money, yeah, they think that we dealing. They talking hot, yeah, they opponents and we won't stop till we.
So what I did next to make the windscreen absolutely squeaky clean for the Sunstrip to stick to is I used a clay bar to get off all of the inbuilt contaminants from the windscreen. I think personally I've found the sweet spot for this Sunstrip, especially on my Corsa. 9 inches here, 9 inches there, but it's actually like, I don't know, like 5 inches there. But I think this is the perfect amount of Sunstrip, because if we actually hop in the car, let me hop in the car, you can actually see it's actually kind of like the perfect amount of Sunstrip. It's not too much, not too little. 9 inches is the sweet spot.
That's literally what she said.
So for anyone fitting a Sunstrip, honestly, I would recommend doing this. I have ripped off a piece of this, but obviously the Sunstrip's a bit bigger, so I can just cut all these. I've like ripped off the paint almost from here. But I'd 100% recommend like proper lining it up before. Alright then boys, so we've got the Sunstrip right here, we've got it all rolled up. I'm gonna get my sister to help me. So I've got the 9 inches here and I've got the 9 inches there. So literally all we need to do is peel the backing tape off and spray the thing down so we can move it. And hopefully this will be all good. It's a bit windy, so yeah. I'm gonna take my time with this. I'm probably not gonna film, I'm just gonna commentate over it. But yeah, I'm very, very excited to get this Sunstrip on. Okay, alright then, so here is my Sunstrip, boys. It looks insane. I actually really like it. It's a tiny detail. It's 9 inches, like my penis, or 9 inches divided by 8. Let's say that's the size of mine. Literally, it's a tiny detail, but on a black and white car, it just goes, you know? And I can't wait to sit in the car because I'm literally gonna feel like, I don't know what I'm gonna feel like, but obviously we've got a black splitter, black grille, and now we've got the black thing. Let's actually sit inside the car quick, see what it looks like. Oh my god, it looks like somebody's had diarrhea all over my thing. So up here we've got the Sunstrip. What? It's a madness. Yo, that actually looked insane. It's really reflective though. Oh my god, literally it looks like I don't know, it looks like a mirror almost. Genuinely, I really like that. I like the feel of like the Sunstrip there. Damn boy, I feel like a race car. Damn, the Audi behind me, you want to fight? Mate, I got a sunscreen now. This is where they back off. I say, I got a sunscreen. I got a Sunstrip. Back off. And then they fuck off. But damn, I really fuck with that. You know, it takes a lot for me to say I fuck with that, but I fuck with that. Especially on the inside. I think the inside looks amazing. Hey, I fuck with that. Hey, come on. New Sunstrip, what are you saying? That looks insane. Like, come on. I think, personally, a Sunstrip looks really good because I've got this here. I've got this here. And I used to have eyelids on my headlights. A lot of people asked me where they went. I didn't like them after a while. But damn, let me know what you guys think of the Sunstrip. I think that I'm gonna pull some McDonald's workers with this. They're gonna like hop out the window and just get in my car because they're gonna be like, ooh, look at that Sunstrip. This feels like some bloody panda skin though, literally. That's how nice it feels. But yeah, it feels really good. I'm just gonna be rubbing it from now on. Jesus. Alright then boys, so I've just been gone for about 3 hours. Literally, I was having the fattest poo of my life. So basically, I've left my car in the sun to sunbathe for the past like 3 hours. Like honestly, it's enjoying it. Look at it. So yeah, basically, I've left the Sunstrip just to cure for the past 3 to 4 hours. And basically, I've just come out now and I've cleaned it. And it is looking beautiful. The windscreen, everything is looking beautiful. Honestly boys, here it is, and the finish of it, ooh, that is like the Mona Lisa, that is, jeez, and the feel of it, ooh. We've got some nice clean cuts right here, and you know, around the edges it's a bit dirty, like around the edges here it's a bit dirty, but the overall look of it looks beautiful. You know, it's a small touch to the car, but I really like it. Boys, the favourite part of this is the interior. Whew. I feel like a race car driver, trust me. It just gives me that race car feel, you know? On the inside of the car, this is what it looks like now. Literally, I don't know if you guys can see, but that's what it looks like now. It's only a tiny piece. But when you're sat like in your normal driving position, you know, I think personally that would block out quite a bit of sun. You know, if you're lucky enough to drive at the perfect amount of time where it's right there, you know, you won't even need this. You know, I know that's what it's for, but look, banging. I know a lot of people actually sticker bomb this, and I think that would be such a good idea, but I like my car kept quite simple, so we unfortunately won't be doing that. And I don't know if you guys can tell what the finish is like on here, but I can just tell you that looks amazing. Whew. Got a little bubble there. Not too big of a problem though. A little bubble here. So I think we actually did quite a good job. Was relatively easy to fit. You just need 2 people. 100% you need 2 people. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think of the Sunstrip. Honestly, I think it'd be so cool to have like almost a vinyl lettering right there, or like a cutout which says Ricer Boys or some shit like that. Genuinely, or Tuk Tuk Gang or something, I don't know. But yeah, overall I'm really happy with it. I think it'd be so cool to have like a letter in there, but tiny detail, but again, I really like it. Oh my, I cannot get over the feel of this. It genuinely feels like the Mona Lisa's like picture. That is beautiful. So yeah, unfortunately that is the end of today's video from me and the Tuk Tuk. Again, let me know if you guys are going to get a Sunstrip. Let me know if you guys like it. I personally really like it. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff, and also subscribe if you did enjoy. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you faces in my next video. Bye.